right here. Here this question is asking, a young software genius is selling the right to a new video game he has developed. Two companies have offered him contracts. The first contract offers $10,000 at the end of each year for the next 5 years, and then $20,000 per year for the following 10 years. The second offers 10 payments, starting with $10,000 at the end of first year, $13,000 at the second end of the second, and so forth, increasing by $3,000 each year, i.e. the 10th payment will be $10,000 plus 9 times 3,000. Assume the genius uses a MARR of 9%. Which contracts should he choose? Use a present worth comparison. Now let's go ahead and calculate the present worth for the first one, P1. For that one we have 10,000 at the end of each year for the 5 years, PA for 5 years, and the percentage, and here they have given MARR for 9%. So this is 9% right here, first for 5 years, and then 20,000 for 10 years. 20,000 for 10 years, that is PA. Interest rate is 9%. This is 10 years, but it's following by 5 years, after 5 years. P over F, 9%, 5. Now if you calculate these values, 10,000, and if you look at this value in the table, that is 3.8896 plus 20,000, 6.4176 times 0.64993, and that gives us 122,315.82. Okay, now let's look at the second company. Present worth factor for the second company, P2. The second offers 10 payments starting with 10,000 at the end of the first year, 13,000 at the end of the second year, and so forth, by 3,000 each year. Okay, 10,000 for the first year, and after that 3,000 increment for each year. So 3,000 for each year, second year, and so forth, and the 10th payment will be 10,000 plus 9 times 3,000. Assume this is also 9%. So 10 times, so A over G, 9%, 10, and multiply by P over A, 9%, 10. And let's calculate this one. 10,000 plus 3,000 times A over G, 9%, 10 years, times P over A, 9%, 10. Okay, and that's it. Actually, I wrote the exact same step. Okay, now this is actually unnecessary. Let's get rid of this. Oh, just keep it. It's the same thing. I copied again. Now we have to look at these values on the table. This 10,000 here plus 3,000, and this value, if you look at this one in table, that is 3.7978. And if you look at this value on the table, that is 6.4177, and if you calculate, you are going to get 137,296.42. so compared to both of them, you can see the second one has highest present worth, so we have to choose the P2, second company. So we should choose the software genius should choose the contract from the second company. P2 is the choice. And this is second company. And that's it. That's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.